People, no say, Hurricane Melissa come and distract we. Distract we from what was going on before. And, you know, my big question still is, where is Jaden Smith? What really happened to Jaden Smith? Because this hurricane come and, you know, the hurricane is a big devastation. A whole heap of things are going on in Jamaica. It's like we tend to be distracted, but at the same time, it still crosses my mind. What really happened to Jaden Smith? You know, it's really sad to see this child is missing, and it's just all type of stories. Every minute you hear a different story. Every minute you hear something different from these people who are responsible for him, and it's really heart-rending to see that the end we are not hearing anything, and it's like this Melissa hurricane is a distraction also, because it changes the fact that we stop talking about Jaden, wondering what really happened to him. And you know, we still need to keep checking about what really happened to this little boy. I hope they find some proof, some evidence about Jaden's situation or Jaden's case, because it's been what, about 2 months now since Jaden missing, and then Hurricane Melissa came and still Jaden has not turned up. So something ain't right about Jaden's disappearance, and I really hope justice will be served on the behalf of poor little Jaden Smith. I swear, as a mother, this really do something to me. I swear, I really hope, you know, and I know other people in Jamaica do the same.